Hi everyone, I'm Natalie from RecPro. Today we're going to be talking about our RV stabilizer jacks. They will help your camper stay sturdy and not rock or shake while you're in it. These are used to stabilize your RV, keep it from rocking or shaking while you're walking around and doing things in your RV. Before you're traveling, you'll want to make sure that you move it counterclockwise to move it up. And then once you get to your destination, you'll want to move it clockwise to bring it down. When you're bringing it down, you're going to want to make sure that you have some type of wood or pad to make sure that it doesn't sink into the ground. We have a couple options. We have a 5,000 and a 7,500 weight limit. Each of those come in either a 24-inch or 30-inch once they're fully extended. Our stabilizer jacks do come either in a 2 or a 4-pack. They also include a manual crank handle. If you have a drill that takes a 3/4 drill bit, we also have the option of including a drill bit to make it easier for you to move the stabilizer jack up and down quicker. If you're looking to upgrade or replace your current stabilizer jack, just go ahead and click the link below. If you like our video, please like and subscribe our channel. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.